Title: The Peace Lily, Spathiphyllum, a perfect addition to your home. Introduction. Indoor plants have become an integral part of modern home decor. They not only add aesthetic appeal but also offer a multitude of health and environmental benefits. Among the myriad of indoor plants available, the peace lily, Spathiphyllum, stands out as an excellent choice for various reasons. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the many virtues of the peace lily and explain why it deserves a place in your home. From its striking appearance to its air-purifying capabilities and ease of care, the peace lily proves itself as a stellar all-around indoor plant. 1. Aesthetic beauty. One of the most apparent reasons to consider the peace lily for your home is its striking aesthetic appeal. Its elegant, dark green leaves and iconic white blooms create a captivating contrast that can enhance any room's ambience. The peace lily's unique appearance makes it a favorite choice for interior decorators and homeowners alike, adding a touch of sophistication to your living space. 2. Air purification. One of the standout qualities of the peace lily is its exceptional air-purifying capabilities. NASA's Clean Air study identified the peace lily as one of the top indoor plants for removing common indoor air pollutants such as formaldehyde, ammonia, and benzene. These pollutants can be found in everyday items like carpets, furniture, and cleaning products. By incorporating peace lilies into your home decor, you can significantly improve the indoor air quality, creating a healthier environment for you and your loved ones. 3. Easy care. For those who may not have a green thumb, the peace lily is a fantastic choice. It is known for its low-maintenance nature and resilience. This plant thrives in moderate to low light conditions, making it suitable for various rooms in your home. Its forgiving nature means it can tolerate occasional neglect and still flourish, making it an ideal choice for beginners or busy individuals. 4. Improved humidity. Peace lilies have another unique trait that can benefit your home environment. They release moisture into the air through a process called transpiration, which can help increase indoor humidity levels. This can be particularly beneficial in dry climates or during the winter months when indoor air tends to be dry. By elevating humidity, peace lilies contribute to a more comfortable living environment and can help alleviate issues like dry skin and respiratory discomfort. 5. Mental well-being. Beyond their aesthetic and practical benefits, indoor plants like the peace lily can have a positive impact on mental well-being. Studies have shown that interacting with indoor plants can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. The act of caring for a living organism, watching it grow and thrive, can be emotionally rewarding. The peace lily's presence in your home can create a calming and soothing atmosphere, promoting a sense of tranquility and mindfulness. 6. Feng Shui and spiritual significance. In addition to its visual appeal and air-purifying qualities, the peace lily holds special significance in various cultures and belief systems. In Feng Shui, it is considered a symbol of prosperity and harmony. Its white flowers represent purity, making it a symbol of innocence and spiritual growth in Christianity. Whether you are a believer or not, incorporating a plant with such positive symbolism into your home can add a layer of depth and meaning to your living space. 7. Versatile placement. Peace lilies are highly versatile in terms of placement within your home. Their adaptability to different light conditions means you can place them in various areas, from bright, indirect light near windows to darker corners that need a touch of greenery. They work well as standalone decorative pieces or as part of a larger indoor garden. Their sleek, modern appearance allows them to fit seamlessly into different interior design styles, from contemporary to traditional. 8. Low allergenicity. For individuals with allergies or sensitivities to pollen, the peace lily is an excellent choice. Unlike some flowering plants that release significant amounts of pollen into the air, peace lilies have minimal pollen production. This makes them a suitable option for those looking to enjoy the beauty of indoor flowers without the risk of exacerbating allergy symptoms. 9. Improved focus and productivity. Indoor plants, including the peace lily, have been shown to enhance concentration and productivity. The presence of plants in your workspace or study area can create a more pleasant and stimulating environment, reducing mental fatigue and enhancing your ability to stay focused on tasks. 10. Symbol of peace and harmony. As the name suggests, the peace lily symbolizes peace and harmony, which can be a subtle reminder to foster these qualities within your home. It serves as a visual representation of the tranquil and harmonious atmosphere you aim to create in your living space. 11. Minimal pest problems. The peace lily is relatively resistant to common indoor plant pests, such as spider mites and aphids. While no plant is entirely immune to pests, the peace lily's robust nature makes it less susceptible to infestations, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. 12. Longevity. With proper care, peace lilies can thrive and continue to enhance your living space for many years. Their longevity makes them a sustainable choice for indoor plant enthusiasts, allowing you to enjoy their beauty and benefits for an extended period. 13. Promotes connection with nature. In our increasingly urbanized and technology-driven world, maintaining a connection with nature is essential for our well-being. Having indoor plants like the peace lily in your home brings a touch of nature into your daily life, helping you feel more connected to the natural world. 14. Easy propagation. If you fall in love with your peace lily and want to share its beauty with friends and family, you'll be delighted to know that they are relatively easy to propagate. You can divide mature plants into smaller ones, allowing you to create new peace lilies for other areas of your home or to gift to loved ones. 15. Budget-friendly decor. Finally, the peace lily offers an affordable way to enhance your home's decor. Compared to some high-maintenance or rare indoor plants, peace lilies are widely available and reasonably priced, making them accessible to a wide range of budgets. Conclusion. In conclusion, the peace lily, Spathiphyllum, is a standout choice for an all-around indoor plant. Its aesthetic beauty, air-purifying capabilities, ease of care, and numerous other benefits make it a valuable addition to any home. Whether you're looking to improve your indoor air quality, create a calming atmosphere, or simply add a touch of elegance to your decor, the peace lily excels on all fronts. Its symbolism of peace and harmony serves as a constant reminder of the positive atmosphere you aim to cultivate within your home. With minimal maintenance requirements and a wealth of advantages, the peace lily is a wise and rewarding choice for homeowners and plant enthusiasts alike. So why wait? Bring home a peace lily and experience the many benefits it has to offer for yourself. Your home and your well-being will thank you for it.